Dear students, let's talk about subject and predicate in a sentence. This is a fourth lecture about subject and predicate in English language. What is the difference between subject and a predicate with examples? Any complete sentence in the English language comprises of two parts, that is subject and predicate. Number one, subject. What is subject? Subject in a complete sentence is who or what the sentence is all about, or the topic of a complete sentence is called subject. A subject can be noun or a pronoun depending on the sentence. What is predicate? Predicate is what is said about the subject and the sentence. Predicate tells about the subject in a sentence. I hope you have learned the difference between subject and predicate. Subject is what is the sentence all about, and predicate tells about the subject. Dear students, let's consult some example to further differentiate between subject and predicate. Example number one, she is washing the clothes. She is washing the clothes. Here she is subject and washing the clothes is predicate. She is what the sentence is all about, and predicate, washing the cloth is predicate, which tells about the subject, which is she. Example number two, Ali loves cooking but hate washing the pots. Ali loves cooking but hate washing the pots. Here Ali is subject in this sentence, and on the other hand, loves cooking and hate washing is predicate. Love cooking and hate washing tells about Ali, which is subject in this sentence. Example number three, the lady in the white dress called the police. The lady in the white dress called the police. Here lady is subject in this sentence. On the other hand, in the white dress called the police is predicate, which tells about the subject of the sentence, that is lady. Example number four, the cat ran after the rat. The cat ran after the rat. Here cat is subject in this sentence, while ran after the cat is predicate. Here ran after the rat tells about the subject, that is cat. Students, I hope you have learned the difference, the basic difference between subject and predicate. I hope you have learned something from this video. You have learned the difference between subject and predicate. In another video, we will tell you about different types of subject and predicate. For now, this is enough. If you love our videos, please hit the like button and comment on this video. In this way we will be encouraged and we will bring more good content for you. This was the basic lectures, basic lessons about grammar in English language. If you are learning English language basically, this is a good channel for you. Please subscribe us and watch our playlist for further educational and learning videos. Thank you so much for your time. Allah Hafiz.